So can you view someone's Instagram without an account? And the answer is actually yes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy, and in today's video we are going to be discussing how we can view someone else's profile on Instagram without logging into our own account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you don't have your Instagram account and you have not created and you think it's too complicated of a process for you, but then you want to view the profiles of some kind of celebrities and so on, and how can you actually do that? Well, it's very simple to do that, but we will not use the application because the application is going to require you to sign in. Basically, you cannot log into the application and view someone's profile until you go ahead and then sign into your account. So the only thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our browser, go to instagram.com as you can see, and then you can see I'm not logged into my account, right? Because you can see the login button on the outside. So I'm not logged in. But what you have to do is you have to just tap on this URL, and then over here you can see www.instagram.com, and after instagram.com you have to put in slash, and then you have to enter the username of the Instagram account that you want to view. So if it's a celebrity, you have to make sure to remember the exact username. After the slash, you just need to put in the username just like this. So I'll just go ahead and then enter the username of a celebrity that I know. So once I enter the username of a celebrity that I know after instagram.com, I'll just hit the go button, and then once I do that, right over here Instagram will directly load me their page over here. It will ask me to sign in, but I'm going to ignore that. I'm not going to sign in over here, and you can see I can simply view that celebrity's profile. I can even go ahead and then actually view it in detail, but maybe in order to like it and so on, you need to actually sign into your account, because as you can see it allows me to sign in from the bottom, but I will not go ahead and then do that obviously. And that's basically it as to how you can view someone's Instagram without an account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.